and welcome to the Sincere Lifestyle. We are in part 2 of the DIY plant-based hair recipe. If you haven't watched part 1, which consists of the cacao rasu clay mask, click on the link above. So like I said, today we are doing the apple cider vinegar hair rinse as you've seen in the earlier videos, but this one is going to be a little bit different with different ingredients. We are using 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar rinse within 16 ounces of this mixture. Half of it is spring water, the other half is aloe vera water. And what I did was steep in some green tea within this mixture. So this is going to promote shine and bounce and moisture. So we're going to do 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And apple cider vinegar has so many benefits. Its antifungal properties and antibacterial properties helps the scalp as it decreases dandruff. It promotes a balance of pH within your scalp. It also allows your hair strands to be soft and manageable. I just love the cleansing agent of apple cider vinegar. So we're going to put 4 tablespoons here. And you can get apple cider vinegar rinse from Amazon, Whole Foods, as long as it's organic and raw and unfiltered. It's beneficial for your hair, right? So when you add apple cider vinegar rinse, you're gonna also want to impart this mixture in it to dilute it, because as you know, apple cider vinegar it can do some harm when it's just directly placed on your skin without diluting it, right? So as you know, we're gonna dilute it with 16 ounces of this mixture. The benefits are just hair moisture, shine, manageability. Did I say hair moisture? That's all that matters, is hair moisture, right? So it also has antioxidant properties to it as well, and antifungal properties from the aloe vera. So it's going to be very beneficial. Voila! So we're going to add 15 ml of castor oil into this mixture. It acts as a hair conditioner, it lubricates the scalp, it decreases breakage, it promotes hair growth. Love it. And depending on how dry your hair is, you could add more, or if you don't want it to be too moisturizing, you can actually add less castor oil or just none at all. So we're gonna add also 15 ml of rose water. And rose water, like I said again, it has so many benefits. It has a lot of antioxidants into it. It promotes shine and strength and durability onto the hair. We're gonna move on with peppermint, and I'm just gonna put like maybe 2 drops, not too much. Peppermint oil promotes hair growth as well. It's good for the scalp. Lemongrass is very good for the scalp. It cleanses the scalp. It creates that shine into the hair. It also strengthens the hair and prevents dandruff. And we're gonna put 5 drops of lemongrass oil into the mixture. Okay. I love the smell of lemongrass. It's so clean. Neroli oil. And this is very citrusy, it's orangey, it has a nice fresh scent to it. I love it. And it has so many benefits. It combats dryness of the scalp, dandruff, flakes, overproduction of oil and sebum, and it also provides a lightweight conditioning to the hair. And like I said, 5 drops of neroli oil. Now it looks like I'm pouring in more than I should, but this bottle, okay, that's 5 drops right there. Looks like I did 10 or whatever or more, but it's really 5 drops. So that is the concoction of the apple cider vinegar rinse. It's going to clarify the hair strands, promote shine, cut all the grease out at the same time, providing that moisture. And you want to just pour it into a bottle where you can actually pour into the hair in an easy way. which is good. Okay, so I had a little bit more than I should, which is always great. And that's it. So this is a 16-ounce bottle, which is all you need. And this is actually a great hair bottle. You can just pour into your hair with ease. And thank you just for joining me with this hair recipe, plant-based hair recipe, apple cider vinegar rinse. And stay tuned for how my hair is gonna look after this. Bye.
Hit the subscribe button and press like on the video. See you next time.